Carter, the president of Rustom's Rockstars. Our theme is water and our theme's name is Aqua Magic. Water is an inorganic, colorless, odorless chemical substance. It is also called H2O. It continuously keeps on moving by the process of water cycle by evaporation, transpiration, condensation and precipitation. It covers 71% of the Earth's surface. Water plays an important role in our life. Now I am going to show you an experiment of evaporation and condensation. The steam which you can see coming out is water vapor. When water vapor goes into the air, it's called evaporation. When water vapor converts into the water, it's called condensation. Thank you.
Water is recycled, water is recycled. Water cycle, it is called a water is recycled. The sun dries the water, the sun dries the water. Evaporation, it is called the sun dries the water. Vapor forms a cloud, the vapor forms a cloud. Condensation, it is called the vapor forms a cloud. Starts to rain or snow, starts to rain or snow. Precipitation, it is called, it starts to rain or snow.
Water.
Our water is recycled, our water is recycled. Water cycle, it is called, our water is recycled. Thank you, bye.
Hey friends, I am Tarunesh Tarapur. Have you ever seen water walking? Let me show you this through a simple science experiment. See the XYZ colors red, yellow and blue moving from the filled glasses to the empty glasses. The water appears to defy gravity, but in reality it moves because of a process called capillary action. Imagine water climbing from a plant's roots to its leaves. The gaps between the fibers of the paper towel called cellulose pull the water upwards. The water also tends to clinging to the paper fiber. Water molecules stick close together. As a result, the water travels up and across the paper towel from one glass to another. Ta-da! Walking water.
Hi, my name is Arshan Lakrawala and I am the president-elect of Rustom's Rockstars. Today's theme is Aqua Magica that relates to water. Every month on our Rosh, we Parsis worship water and also pray to the divinity of water. This Bika Beram Kua is a rich source of water and a lovely place for these type of gatherings. The Bika Beram Kua was made by a very lovely Parsi gentleman, Sir Bika Beram, who came to Bombay on foot from Bharuch. Every month a Jashan and a Hambandangi is kept. This initiative was taken by our Hoshang uncle. The trustees were generous enough to keep the Hambandangi and Jashan. Now over 300 people every month on our Rosh come for the Jashan and Hambandangi. Hi, today we're going to do an experiment. First we put some water in the 2 cups. First we put some water in the first cup.
Quickly. Very good.
Now we pour some water in the second cup. Then we add some. Now we add some
Quick.
sugar in the first glass.
Then what do we
Then
add?
we add some salt in this second glass. Then we mix. Oh, the
sugar has dissolved.
So what solution is it?
It's sugar solution. Oh, the salt has dissolved in the water.
So it's a
So it's a salted
solution, right?
solution.
Yeah. And what do we make with the sugar water?
Lemonade.
When we pour some lime in it, right?
Yes.
For summer.
For summer.
Yay!
Friends, my name is Meenaz Dastur. Today I'm going to perform an experiment which is given to me. Now I'm going to mix oil and water. Now I'm going to mix it, and now you will see that oil does not dissolve in water.
Go.
Now you'll see substances which do not dissolve in water are called insoluble substance. Bye bye. My name is Shanvita. I'm from Rooster Rockstars. I am going to talk about water. Water is clearly a mystery to me. Solid, a liquid, a gas, or a tree. Freeze it, warm it, boil it, you will see. Water is clearly a mystery to me. Thank you. There are two arrows facing the left hand side. If I put water in a glass till half glass, then you can see one arrow at the right hand side. Now if I fill in more half, now you can see both the arrows are facing at the right hand side. This is called optic illusion. See? Thank you.
Ava Road is also known as Ava River Mai's birthday. It's a good day to go to the waters, Arabian Sea, Bika Beram Kua to pray. We offer dalni popori, sakar and coconut to Ava River Mai to give us good health, wealth and to keep us safe.
Hello everyone, I am Anush Mullan from Rustam's Rockstars. Today I'm going to show you some magic. For that, take a glass filled with water and a piece of cardboard. Put the cardboard on the glass and flip it over. You all know that the water and the cardboard will fall down. Let's see. Magic! It is actually science. It is called atmospheric pressure. Air around us, we don't know that they give us pressure. So the air below the cardboard is giving the pressure upward and the pressure is more than the water.
water is giving the pressure downwards. So the cardboard stays on the glass and does not fall. Thank you.
My name is Sanaya Bakaya. Do you know water is important for plants to grow?
Today,
I'm going to water little plants. Okay, hold it. Now, Chichi.
what? Yes. Water?
The bubbles coming out of the water bottle. Do you know why? Because the bottle was leaving.
Water was leaving
the bottle, and so the air was going inside.
Hello, my name is Jian Dastu from Rustam Rockstars. For today's science experiment, we are going to make a tornado in a bottle. You will need a kaach ka bottle, Vim soap, 2 glitter and vinegar. Put the water into the cup. Next, add your favorite glitter. Next, add vinegar. Last, add Vim soap. Next, put the cap back on and give it a good shake. Look how the tornado happens. Thank you.
I am Dinnat Dalal, member of Rustam's Rockstars. Today I am going to do a biology experiment or a science experiment for the Aqua Magic event. This experiment will show how transpiration occurs through leaves. First, take a potted plant. Then you have to take 2 branches from the plant. Remove all the leaves from one branch and tie a plastic bag around it. Do the same with another branch with lots of leaves and tie a plastic bag around it. Then put it in bright sunlight. And what will you observe? Observe that transpiration has occurred through leaves and small droplets have come on the plastic bag which the leaves are on. But the other one without the leaves has no droplets at all. This is why transpiration occurs through leaves. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Zagdastur from Rustam's Rockstars. Today for my summer drink, we are going to use mangoes. Hi. Then we are going to peel the mango. Then we are going to put sugar and ginger powder. Then we are going to blend it and make a puree. Once your puree is done, then put the puree inside the glass. Then decorate it on top. And add any puree and your summer drink is ready. Thank you. Uses of water. Uses of water are drinking, wash our face and hands, We also use water in toilets, bathing, brush our teeth with water, washing clothes and utensils. I had a whale of a time. Thank you.
My name is Xerxes Meher Shahi from Rustam Rockstars. Today I'll tell you some ways to conserve water. You should close the tap while you're washing your hands, washing utensils, brushing your teeth and having a bath, especially while you're scrubbing them. You should use a bucket of water to have a bath instead of a shower. Then whatever old water is left in a bottle, you can use it to water plants. Whatever old water is left to boiled eggs, you can also use that to water plants. Whatever old tea water is there, you can also use them to water plants. Thank you.